Okay, we're back again. And we kind of can see the traffic situation over there. Well, this is the traffic situation. It is all packed.
Meters, slight right onto Muchak Mob Bazaar flyover.
And the road seems to be fully red. Wow. Nice. Let's do this. Let's do this. We can do this. So with the power of editing, we're coming back after this traffic. Yeah, the storage is full again. It's saying I gotta take care of that issue, but the thing is that you can see that this road is completely empty and this road is not, so there must be something going on over that place on the other side, which I am a bit worried about because of the political situation these days. But I guess it should be okay because there are a lot of cars around me. Yeah, I feel safe, I guess. See you on the other side. All right, so finally we could reach in time and found a beautiful parking spot. Let me show you. Let me show you the parking spot that I got. It's in the middle of a jungle, I have to say. It's a beautiful place. Nice trees everywhere. And my car is resting. Again, we're back on the road after doing the thing that we are supposed to do. And it seems like it's gonna be a nice ride so far. Okay. Everybody forgot how to drive, basically. Come on, car, you can't do that suddenly turning right. Okay, so getting onto the flyover, and that will take us to Karwan Bazaar. That is the plan so far. So what's happening right now, I can hear some pattering sound, car sound in the near the wheels, in the backside of the body of the car. The reason is that I was on a muddy field, and all the mud that was stuck on my car's tire is now coming out and covering the body. Ew. Well, I gotta wash the car. That was not a good decision to park the car in a muddy area. Well. It's better than actually getting a ticket.